Alright, working on a 2013 Ford Edge, and just needed to get this back vent piece taken off. And I just want to show you that it's pretty easy to get to. Just move your seats all the way forward so you have easier access, and then we're just going to take a pry tool and come down in between this crack on both sides and pull it back a little bit. Just get it started. A little bit on that side, and come around the other side. It starts to separate. And then it comes off. So it's just got those clips in it, and then you got your cigarette lighter, and then the lights for the cables for the lights. And if you need access to get to your vents, you can do that from here, and then just be able to get back in there if you need to. I hope to help you out. Thanks.